All right, for number 5, I'm again going to set up two separate equations. However, before I do that, I have to isolate the absolute value. So that means I have to get the absolute value of n, or 9 minus n, by itself. So right now what's interrupting that is this divided by 4. So to get rid of that, I will do the opposite operation. So I will multiply by 4. Whatever you do to one side, do the other as well. So the 4's on the left cancel out, and I'm left with the absolute value of 9 minus n is equal to 1 times 4, or 4. So now that I have the absolute value isolated, I will be setting up two equations. If the absolute value of an expression is equal to 4, that means that this expression, 9 minus n, is 4 units away from 0. So the number 4 is 4 units away from 0, but also the number negative 4 is 4 units away from 0. So I have two separate equations. I'll solve them individually. So I'll start by subtracting 9. 4 minus 9 would be negative 5. Then divide by negative 1. So I have n is equal to 5 as one solution. And then my second solution, I will again subtract 9. Negative 4 minus 9 would be negative 13. Divide by negative 1. N is equal to 13 is my second solution. And again, both of those would satisfy my original equation. The important thing here is to note I isolated my absolute value before I set up the two equations. It's very important that you do that first. So anything on the outside of those two bars, you've got to get rid of.